Welcome to another credit card unboxing video. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this credit card unboxing video, we're going to be having a look at the Discover card, or the Discover It card. But before we get started, I have a quick... Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so in this credit card unboxing video, we're gonna have a look at the Discover It card. Now, I've actually had some experience with the Discover card. I actually had a Discover It secured card from September 2017 until September 2018. And with that Discover card, I've been able to accumulate $1,700, a little over $1,700, like $1,788. So of course I'm gonna make videos showing you exactly that. But in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Discover card. So give me 1 second, I'll jump over to another video and I'll see you right there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing or enveloping video of the Discover card. This is my second Discover card. I actually have the Discover It Secure card, but I decided to upgrade and get the regular Discover card. I have an application video where I applied for this card, and I'll go ahead and link that video in case you want to watch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it here. This sad story, this envelope has been wet very badly in the rain. So yeah. So your envelope will look a lot better than this one, but they send it United States Postal Service, and there's a tracking number, so you can actually get the tracking number once they send your card out if you want to. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do it. So here we go. We're gonna open this so you guys can kind of see what to expect when it's your time to get your Discover card. I'll be sure to have a link in the description below in case you're interested in getting the Discover card. You can go ahead and use that link in the description below, and you'll get $50 once you make a purchase within the first 3 months, and I will also get $50 statement credit. So if you're interested in doing that, please use the link in the description below. It helps out our channel quite a bit. So here we are. I'll get this out the way. So once again, this has been wet. Hopefully it's not too bad. The outside envelope is a cardboard, so that should help with it not being too bad. And yeah, I decided to go with a different card here, as you can see. Wasn't quite sure how this is gonna look, but it looks kind of nice in real life, actually, to be honest with you. It looks really nice. So this is pretty much what it looks like. There's a nice secure package here, and it has information stuck into this little envelope, and I'm gonna just take that out here. Oh, by the way, you see my awesome phone here with the duct tape on it. This is purple duct tape, and my screen is really cracked. I'm going to get the new iPhone when it comes out later on this month in September. So anyway, I wanted to make sure I have my phone in the video because my phone is just, you know, world class. So that is my new Discover card. That's what it looks like. This is the one that I decided to get. It's like a little rainbow thing. It looks a lot more cheesy on the website than it does in real life. This looks a lot cooler than I thought it would. So I'm glad I went ahead and got this. So pretty much that is what you're gonna get inside the envelope. My envelope's still kind of wet. Of course, it's gonna have my personal information here on the left. I'll go ahead and blur that out. But as you can see there on the right there, it has credit line $5,000, cash advance credit line $2,500. Not sure why you'd want to do cash advance because it's going to cost you a lot of money. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get. Of course, there are some terms and conditions here and some paperwork that I'm not going to read. This is actually still wet. My mail got wet, guys, and I actually had my American Express card come in the mail, and that envelope is way too wet to do an unboxing or enveloping. So I went ahead and got another one sent to me so I can show you guys a proper video of that, the blue everyday American Express cash card. So anyway, I'll do a video and you guys can watch that video as well. So anyway, this is pretty much it. There's just information in here about, you know, what you're gonna get with your card, and all this wonderful stuff that I don't care to read about because I already have this card and I'm very familiar with it. So it says, thank you for choosing Discover. One of the cool things that I like about Discover a lot is the fact that they do cashback match. And so I was able to earn $872.68 with my Discover It Secured card. So still looking forward to getting promoted with that secured card to an unsecured card. I have not yet, but you're allowed to get 2 credit cards from Discover cards. So I went ahead and got this credit card so I can earn some more cash back and of course get cash back match for this card. So I will have another year of using the Discover card and getting cash back match. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Like I said, if you want to get this Discover card, you can use my link in the description below. It is going to help the channel, and you're going to get a $50 statement credit, and I'm going to get a $50 statement credit once you use your credit card within the first well, not within the first anything, just once you use your credit card, period. So thanks again for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you guys back in just 1 second. Hey guys, just want to show you real quickly what the card looks like without the sticker. Like I said, it actually looks better in real life. I'm not sure if the video is capturing how awesome it looks in real life, but I think that is pretty dope. So that's what it looks like without the sticker, the Discover card, and looking forward to it. Thanks for watching this credit card unboxing video about the Discover card. If you're interested in the Discover card, feel free to use the link in the description below this video. It actually helps our channel quite a bit. I'll get $50 when you make any purchase within the first 3 months, and you will also get $50 whenever you make any purchase within the first 3 months. So if you're interested in the Discover card, feel free to use that link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.